I would first approach this problem by figuring out what my electron configuration is for selenium, the neutral species. So looking at my periodic table, I can see the selenium is located here where my mouse is hovering. And if I go one period above it and go all the way to the right, I can start off my noble gas shorthand notation with argon. So going back to the period that selenium is in, I can start counting electrons starting from the left. So I know that I'm in period 4, so I have to have 4s2 electrons because it take both of them I include in order to get to selenium. And next I have 3d10 electrons because your d block starts off with 3. And finally, in order to get to selenium in my p block, I have 4p4 electrons. So that is written on the left. So because selenium minus has one extra electron, I have to add that electron to my highest energy orbital, which is my 4p orbital. So I get this for my final answer. So that's part 1. And if I look at part 2, now I have to determine the electron configuration for polonium. Again, looking at my periodic table, I locate where polonium is. It is right here. And again, I go up one period and I go all the way to the right in order to determine what my noble gas is. And going back to my period, I start counting electrons again, starting from the left. So I'm in period 6, and these are my s block electrons. So both of them are going to be, there are going to be 2 electrons in the s orbital. And so I have 6s2. And if I keep going, I have all my d block electrons. So starting from here, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So I have 5d10 electrons. And because the f electrons are included, we have to include that in our electron configuration. So all these here. So because the f orbitals have seven unique ones, and there are 2 electrons that can go into each orbital, we have 14 electrons total in order to have all the orbitals filled. So for my f block electrons, I start counting 4, and this is 5. So this is 4f14. And then finally, in order to get to polonium, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm in my 6th period, so this is 6p4. So that is my electron configuration here.